Extensive cleanup and recovery effort is underway at the Buffalo Trace Distillery in Frankfort, Kentucky.
So it is one of Kentucky's major distilleries there. The distillery is there on the banks of the Kentucky River and is no stranger to flooding, but the master distiller says this most recent round is the most severe that they have seen in Buffalo Trace's 200-plus year history. Hundreds of crew members are working around the clock right now to clean up the facilities that were about a feet underwater or several feet underwater. At the same time, the distillery is conducting a thorough inspection of its warehouse to determine if bourbon barrels were contaminated by the floodwaters.
Some of the barrels were affected by the floodwaters, so not all of them were moved successfully. So part of our flood preparation plan does involve that, but certainly the historic level of the flood was something we haven't seen here before.
Yeah, so the master distiller there saying that they're going to get a more accurate picture of how many barrels were lost as rigorous inspections and quality testing will continue here in the coming days. The distillery is closed through at least this Sunday with the hopes to reopen to visitors in a modified capacity, they're saying, at least early next week.